How to fix no sound for incoming calls on iPhone. So there are several ways on how to solve this. First one, check the left side of your phone. Above the volume up and volume down button is the ring button. If the orange line is visible, it means that your phone is in silent mode. Switch it and you should see the silent mode turned off on top of your screen. Second way, go to your settings, proceed to sound and haptics. Now move the slider of ringtone and alert volume all the way to the right. This will turn on your ringer volume. This will also increase the volume of your incoming call sounds as well as your alarm ringtone. Third, turn off the do not disturb mode. Go to settings, proceed to focus, check do not disturb. If this is turned on, all the text, notifications, calls, and alerts will be silent. So go to the control center and turn off the DND or the do not disturb. Lastly, restart your iPhone. This can restart all of your iPhone settings to make your device function better. So press volume up, press volume down, hold the power button, and restart it. Once it opens again, there should be sound for your incoming calls. So that is how to fix no sound for incoming calls on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.